just like tailors, since we assure timely service. Also, we provide pickup and drop facilities and don't be shy to ask for personalized attention. All you have to do is click, create and customize, all at your comfort. Moving on about how we actually work, all you have to do is go to our online portal and select the garment which you want and the material. Then customize your design and choose from various options different collars, sleeves, cuffs, etc. Then pick up the prints and the colors according to your wish and give us the measurements, for which there is a video provided for hair. And then leave the rest of it to us. Tweedle the Needle is a team of 21 members, which includes 8 members in the tailoring section, which are expert in their work. 2 members, which are fashion designing graduates, who are always there to help you. 3 members who are interning with us, 3 members in the technical team, 2 members in the finance department, and 3 members which will focus on marketing. Talking about the marketing, we will take help of 3 different medias, that is verbal, print and digital. Focusing on the digital media, we will use things like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, etc., which is really popular these days. Also, we will provide coupon facilities with the help of Hike and other promotional offers, and we will also provide group selfies option. In the print media, we will take help of leading fashion magazines, newspapers, but we won't be distributing any pamphlets because we focus on eco-friendliness. In the verbal section, we will take surveys, contests, etc., and mainly sandwich advertising, wherein human billboards will do the mouth publicity. Initially, we will require an approximate investment of 12 lakh rupees, which we will allocate accordingly. Maximum of our money will go in technical and marketing section. Few sundry expenses, which will be like raw materials, commissions, salaries, etc. And last will be the miscellaneous expenses.
In the long run, we also look forward to form contracts with the local tailors and get them to work with us. Also, there will be tie-ups with the agencies for providing us timely delivery services. Next, talking about the stability factor that comes up for every startup, we have a long way to go. That people will still take time to accept this service, so we have a long way to explore this market. We assure optimum utilization of all the resources that we get. In case of any waste or the scrap that we produce, that will be utilized for other home furnishing materials. We also provide our customers with a Tijori option, wherein you get points for every order that you give us, and it's more like the Bitcoin option prevalent in the economic society. We also are thinking to invest into bonds and FDs. This way we are always going to be at a break-even point. We will now talk about the economic conditions prevalent in this market. Since we all know that Tweedle the Needle is an online service sector enterprise that provides the customer the volition to choose their clothing designs and everything ranging from customization to the outfit. Clothing is a basic necessity. The requirement for it will never go down. It is everyone's need. So, we at Tweedle the Needle will at no point go down with our stability. We will always be in a stable position. The consumer gets the volition to choose their designs and outfits. They also get the option to customize their clothing, which the local tailors do not offer. You get a better fit handmade. Lump sum for the public relations would include NGO activities and healthy public relations, wherein if we face rejection of clothing from our customers, we first put it on our website for sale, or if in case it does not sell out, then we give it to the NGOs and use it as a market strategy to improve our team. Now, what we want from you all or the society as such is a good feedback mechanism where we want you all and the others to give us suggestions how we can improve. We don't promise to be your local tailor, but we at Needle and Needle promise to aim perfection. So come be our strength. Thank you.